हाय गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एमएस एक्सेल के टॉप एमसीक्यूज जो पिछले एग्जाम में आए हुए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द की स्ट्रोक्स कंट्रोल प्लस आई इज यूज टू ऑप्शंस ए इंक्रीज फॉन्ट साइज, बी इंसर्ट अ लाइन ब्रेक्स, सी अप्लाइज इटैलिक्स फॉर्मेट्स टू सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट, डी इंडिकेट द टेक्स्ट शुड बी बोल्ड. Right answer is option C. Applies italics formats to selected text. Next question. Which of the following functions key activate the spellers? Right answer is options A. F7. Next question. Which of the following is not a term pertaining to spreadsheets? Options A. Cell, B. Characters, C. Browsers, D. Formula. Right answer is option C. Browser. Next question. Another name for a pre-programmed formula in Excel is options A. Cell, B. Graphs, C. Range, D. Functions. Right answer is options D. Function. Next question. Excel is a program that is used to prepare a options A. Slides, presentations, B. Spreadsheets, C. Text documents, D. Database. Right answer is options B. Spreadsheet. Next question. Shortcuts to create new documents is dash. Right answer is options B. Control plus N. Next question. Which terms is used to join the selected cells into one cell? Right answer is options D. Merge. Next question. Shortcuts to quotes MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SS, etc. is dash. Right answer is options D. Alt plus F4. Next question. A formula in Excel always begins with and dash. Options A equal signs, B colons, C comma, D space. Right answer is options A equal sign. Next question. What is the shortcut to replace text in a document? Right answer is options A. Control plus H. Next question. Which command is used to close windows of Excel? Right answer is options A. Alt plus F4. Next question. Open workbooks can easily be switched using dash. Right answer is options D. Control plus tab. Next question. How many columns are there in old versions of MS Excel? Options A 250, B 256, C 265, D 269. Right answer is options B 256. Next question. What is the default row length of MS Excel? Right answer is options D 15. Next question. Excel's documents are stored as files called options A work group, B work table, C worksheets, D all of these. Right answer is option C worksheet. Next question. To minimize the current selected windows press. Right answer is options B Control plus F9. Next question. To maximize the currently selected windows press. Right answer is options D Control plus F10. Next question. Which of the following is the default number of worksheets in MS Excel? Right answer is options B 3. Next question. Formula in Excel are made up of dash. Options A arithmetic operators and functions, B only arithmetic operators, C only symbols, D only functions. Right answer is options A arithmetic operators and functions. Next question. Dash is a powerful tool used to create and format spreadsheets. Options A Adobe Photoshop CS, B Mozilla Firefox, C Microsoft Office PowerPoint, D Microsoft Office Excel. Right answer is options D, Microsoft Office Excel. Next question. Workbooks is a collection of options A, worksheet, B, page setup, C, buttons, D, diagrams. Right answer is options A, worksheet. Next question. Dash is the intersections of a row with a columns. Options A, cell, B, row, C, columns, D, all of these. Right answer is options A, cell. Next question. The result of a formula in a cell is the options A, displayed value, B, range, C, value, D, label. Right answer is option C, value. Next question. To display the save as dialog box, press. Right answer is options D, F12. Next question. Which command is used to close the window of Excel? Right answer is options A, Alt plus F4. Next question. What is the default columns width of MS Excel? Right answer is options A, 8.43. Next question. Press dash to make the text bold in MS Excel. Right answer is options B, Control plus 2. Next question. How many rows are there in old versions of MS Excel? Right answer is options A, 65,536. Next question. Dash was the first spreadsheets on a microcomputer. Right answer is options A part. Next question. Press dash to close the window of MS Excel. Right answer is options C, Alt plus F4. Next question. Press dash to display the format cells dialog box in MS Excel. Right answer is options A, Control plus 1. Next question. The file series dialog box in Excel has dash sections. Right answer is options D, 4. Next question. Which of the following is an active cell in Excel? Options A, cell address, B, range, C, current cell, D, formula. Right answer is option C, current cell. Next question. Dash insert a new worksheet. Right answer is options A, Alt plus Shift plus F1. Next question. DOS based spreadsheets package is options A, Smart Sheets, B, Excel, C, Spreads Pro, D, Lotus 1, 2, 3. Right answer is options D, Lotus 1, 2, 3.